You've received your Heart Hero Elliot AED. Now what? Let's walk through unboxing and activating your device so it's ready when you need it. Elliot arrives fully sealed in shrink wrap. This is exactly what you want to see. It confirms that your device has not been opened or tampered with before it reaches you. Remove the shrink wrap and set it aside. Now, we want to point out a few things before opening your new device. On the bottom, you'll see some familiar and unfamiliar symbols and markings. These include the manufacture date, how to reach us, and some required regulatory markings. You probably won't need them, but they are part of making sure the device meets safety and compliance requirements. Now on the back side, you'll see the indications for use. This is very important to read. Elliot is intended for suspected adult and pediatric victims of sudden cardiac arrest. This means someone who is unresponsive and not breathing normally. Phew, now we got that out of the way. Let's open your device. In the center, you will find your device along with everything you need to get started. Don't worry, no need to be overwhelmed. We're here to walk you through everything you need. So follow along and help us activate your Elliot. Step 1, scan the QR code. Step 2, review the information provided. This gives you access to helpful resources like the quick reference guide, which includes maintenance instructions, device status information, and other supporting materials. Take a moment to review those documents. For added support and connected features, you can download the Heart Hero app. And before you know it, we're on to step 3. Elliot ships in sleep mode, so you need to wake it up to make sure it's ready to use in an emergency. To do that, go ahead and press the green power button on the screen. And no need to worry. Elliot comes pre-installed with batteries.
Hello, I am Elliot, your personal adult and child life-saving device.
This is normal. This is Elliot's startup sequence. Let the device complete this process. You can remove the sticker, just don't press any buttons. When it ends, Elliot is awake from sleep mode.
I am to be used if someone is unconscious and not breathing normally. I am here to help. Please download the Heart Hero app and follow the on-screen instructions to register and configure your device. If more information is needed, please visit hearthero.com. Please wait while I finish my self-check.
Elliot will now complete a quick self-check. This is totally normal. The device is just making sure every component is working properly in case of an emergency.
Self-check. I have just completed a self-check. I am ready to help. In the event of an emergency, press the green power button or pull the red tab to activate. When activated, I will give you step-by-step instructions. I will be ready when you need me.
There you have it. That's all you need to do. But to ensure everything is in order, you can double check by pressing the information button. The device will confirm its status.
I am ready to help. If needed for an emergency, pull the red tab to activate or press the green power button.
After activation, Elliot is ready. You can have peace of mind knowing your friends and family are protected in the event of a sudden cardiac arrest. Feel free to store Elliot somewhere that's easy to access, like on your counter or in a drawer. We'll leave it to you to decide. Just remember, the closest AED is the best AED, so choose a spot you can reach quickly. If you have questions, comments, concerns, or simply want more information, visit hearthero.com or reach out to info@hearthero.com and we'd be happy to assist.